हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आज की वीडियो क्लास 11th फिजिक्स वालों के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट रहने वाली है, क्योंकि मैंने आपके लिए मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस बना लिए हैं। मैंने क्वेश्चन पेपर सेट कर लिया है। इसमें टोटल क्वेश्चंस तो बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, लेकिन इन सभी को आप पढ़ लेते हो, इन सारे क्वेश्चंस को आप अच्छे से पढ़ लेते हो, तो मैं पक्का कह सकता हूँ पास तो आप पक्का हो जाओगे। तो चलो बिना किसी देरी के वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। तो फ्रेंड्स, इसमें मैंने 20 MCQs सेट किए हैं और इसके बारे में मैं प्रीवियस वीडियो में बता चुका हूं, आप उसको देख लेना। ठीक है। और मैंने फिर 48 क्वेश्चंस सेट किए हैं, जिसमें पहले शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस एंड ईच क्वेश्चन कैरीज 2 मार्क्स। तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन स्पीड एंड वेलोसिटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज differentiate between scalar quantity and vector quantity. Question number 4 is what are reversible and irreversible processes. Question number 5 is how does kinetic energy of an object change if its momentum is doubled. Question number 6 is explain the effect of temperature on velocity of sound in air. And question number 7 is in van der Waals equation P plus A upon V square bracket closed V minus B is equal to RT. What are the dimensions of A and B? Question number 8 is every oscillatory motion is periodic, but every periodic motion is not oscillatory. Explain with the help of an example. Question number 9 is define center of mass. Is it necessary that in a center of mass should always lie inside the body? Question number 10 is define moment of inertia of a rigid body. Also give its SI units. Question number 11 is why a passenger falls forward when a moving bus suddenly stops. Question number 12 is why we beat the carpet with a stick to remove dust particles. आगे चलते हैं। Question number 13 state Avogadro's hypothesis. Question number 14 convert 10 joule into erg. Question number 15 convert 1 Newton into dynes. Question number 16 prove S is equal to ut plus half at square by graphically method. Question number 17 prove S is equal to ut plus half at square by calculus method. Question number 18 why a gun recoils back when it is being fired. Question number 19 differentiate between mass and weight. Question number 20 define Young's modulus of elasticity and give its SI unit. तो अब each question carries 3 marks. Question number 21 what do you mean by acceleration due to gravity? How it varies with height, means altitude. Question number 22 state and prove work energy theorem. Question number 23 show that Newton's second law of motion is the real law of motion. Question number 24 what is the acceleration due to gravity? How it varies with the depth. Question number 25 discuss variation of strain with stress by drawing a sketch stress strain curve. Question number 26 give kinetic interpretation of temperature and define absolute zero. Question number 27. Define escape velocity. Obtain an expression for the escape velocity of a body from the surface of Earth. Question number 28. Obtain an expression for the speed with which vehicle can safely negotiate with a flat curved road. Question number 29. State the laws of friction. Question number 30. Deduce the expression for the work done in an isothermal process. Question number 31. State first law of thermodynamics and apply this law to obtain a relationship between two specific heats of a gas. Question number 32. Find an expression for the velocity and acceleration of a particle executing simple harmonic motion, that is SHM. Question number 33. Distinguish between transverse and longitudinal waves. Question number 34. Explain the formation of bits analytically. Question number 35. Define recoil velocity. Derive an expression for recoil velocity. Question number 36. What do you mean by the radius of gyration? Derive an expression for it. Question number 37. Define orbital velocity of a satellite. Obtain an expression for orbital velocity of a satellite. अब आ जाते हैं लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस एंड each question carries 4 marks. Question number 38. State and prove triangle law of vector addition. Question number 39. State parallelogram law of vector addition. Give analytical treatment to find its resultant when both vectors are inclined at angle theta. Question number 40 का first question. Friction is a necessary evil. Explain. Second question. Explain banking of a road. Question number 41. Discuss elastic collision between two bodies in one dimension. Calculate the velocity of bodies after collision and discuss special case also. Question number 42. State and prove equation of continuity. Question number 43. State and prove Bernoulli's theorem for a non-viscous liquid. Question number 44 का first question. What is Stokes law? Find an expression for it. Second question. State and prove Pascal's law. Question number 45. Show that the motion of a simple pendulum is simple harmonic. Hence find an expression for its time period. Question number 46 का first question. Two forces 5 Newton and 20 Newton and are acting at angle of 120 degree. Find the magnitude of their resultant. Second question. Explain the effect of pressure and frequency on the velocity of sound in air. Question number 47. What do you mean by projectile? A projectile is fired with velocity u making an angle theta with horizontal ground. Show that its path is parabolic. Also find an expression for maximum height, horizontal range and time of light. Question number 48. State the postulates of kinetic theory of gases. Derive an expression for the pressure exerted by an ideal gas. तो गाइज यार ये सब मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं, तो फाइनल एग्जाम की तैयारी आप अच्छे से करें. ऑल द बेस्ट, बेस्ट विशेस फॉर योर एग्जाम्स. तो आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में किसी नए टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम.